there, my lovely gardening friends. How are you today? I'm Mark. I'm a biotech geek and a gardening freak. And what I do is I help everybody obtain wonderful results with their plants, their tropical plants, or their gardens, or their lovely surrounding. So well, just to make a long story short, let me just tell you about the story of my girlfriend, Jennifer. Yes, she's very lovely. And well, I mean, she talks a lot about urban agriculture and food sovereignty, food resiliency and the like, but she does not even know how to take care of a single plant. She doesn't even know how to take care of even a dandelion. So I told her, listen Jennifer, there's no problem. We'll go to the garden center and we'll get soil in bags and any type of plant you want. So there we went. And she bought lots and lots of plants, and we installed them on her balcony using her old plant containers. And she had many plant containers, so we filled them all, and lo and behold, I mean, the entire season her balcony was awash with herbs and vegetables and exotic plants of all kinds. So you might ask me, hey Mark, how did you do that? Well, it's very easy when you know everything about soil conditioners, the wonderful probiotic microbial tools that help the soil to be alive, to be like a living organism. It's extremely powerful, and we will discover on this YouTube channel all sorts of tricks that will make it possible for you to have wonderful results with your plants, whether you are a beginner or even a professional. So don't miss the fantastic power of the soil conditioners and the concept of the living soils. Ciao for now. Have a great day.